Your brain just played a trick on you, and you didn't even notice. Every single day, it filters out almost 90% of what you see, hear, and think, silently deciding what really matters. But here's the twist: most of the things it hides from you are shaping your decisions more than you realize. What if I told you that something as simple as sipping your morning coffee is already controlling your choices, right now? In the next few minutes, you'll discover the hidden ways your brain subtly shapes your reality without you even noticing. And trust me, once you see it, you'll start questioning everything you thought was conscious. Meet the part of your brain that controls 95% of your decisions, silently. It's called your subconscious mind. And it's running the show behind the curtain. Science shows it nudges your choices before your conscious mind even gets a chance to argue. Imagine this: you're standing in front of the snack aisle, thinking, "I want chocolate." But before you even notice, your subconscious has already guided you to the brand that feels safest, most familiar, or strangely comforting. And this is just the beginning. Your brain isn't done controlling you yet. Can you feel it working right now? Tick, tick. Ever wonder why you scroll endlessly on your phone? It's not just boredom, it's your brain wired for novelty and tiny dopamine hits. Every notification, every unpredictable swipe, lights up pleasure circuits, keeping you hooked without realizing it. Think about Sarah. She checks Instagram, just for 2 minutes. 30 minutes later, she looks up, restless and surprised at how fast time flew. That's dopamine in action, rewiring your brain while stealing your attention. And here's the kicker: it's not just stealing focus, it's training itself while doing it. What if your focus isn't really yours? Your mind is learning, adapting, and pulling strings without a single conscious thought. What if I told you your memories aren't entirely reliable? Your brain doesn't store perfect snapshots, it reconstructs them, often rewriting little details every time you recall an event. John remembers his childhood birthday vividly: the cake, the balloons, even faces in the room. But studies show that those colors or faces might be completely fabricated by his mind. Every memory is like a copy of a copy, slightly altered without warning. And this isn't just about nostalgia, it affects your decisions today. Are you sure you remember last week accurately? Sometimes, your past isn't what you think, it's a story your brain tells itself to make sense of your life. Your brain also uses emotions like a secret control panel, quietly guiding what you choose and how you react. Emotions often drive decisions more than logic. Neuroscience shows that subtle emotional cues, like seeing a heartwarming or sad image, can make you prefer one option over another without thinking. Imagine watching a sad puppy ad online. Before you realize it, you've donated money. That's your emotion engine at work. And emotions aren't just influencing small choices, they shape who you are, your identity, and even how you interact with the world. Wait, your happiness could even be someone else's experiment. Every smile, frown, or gut feeling is quietly steering your path. Think you're in control? Think again. Habits are your brain's autopilot mode, shortcuts created to save energy. The basal ganglia triggers these automatic behaviors before your conscious mind even catches on. You brush your teeth the same way every morning, reach for the same mug, follow the same routine, without a single thought. And these autopilot routines? They don't just run small, mundane tasks, they subtly influence bigger life decisions too. Ever stopped mid-habit and wondered why you're doing it? Your brain is operating a secret script. And you're following it without noticing, every day, every moment. Your brain doesn't just think, it decides what you see, hear, and feel. Selective attention filters information constantly, prioritizing what it deems important for survival. That's why people often miss obvious details in their environment, only noticing them when something jumps out. Imagine walking past a poster dozens of times without noticing it. Then suddenly, One day, it stands out like it's brand new. That's your brain filtering reality, shaping your perception without consent. And now, you're starting to realize, your reality isn't fully yours. What else is your brain hiding from you? The invisible hand guiding your senses is always at work. Have you ever noticed your brain making choices before you even think? Maybe you bought something without planning it. Or felt drawn to a thought you couldn't explain. Comment below with the weirdest decision your mind made for you. Let's see if your story matches what science reveals about the hidden puppeteer inside your head. Just a moment of reflection, your brain is constantly at play. And noticing it is the first step to understanding it. Your brain is a silent director, guiding your attention, emotions, memories, and habits every single day. All those little tricks, attention theft, subconscious nudges, emotional control, are connected, forming a web you barely see. You're not imagining it, your mind really does work behind the scenes, quietly shaping your reality. Understanding this gives you power. The more you notice these hidden processes, the more control you can take back. If this fascinated you, subscribe for more psychology and science insights that reveal what's happening inside your head. Remember, the more you understand your brain, the less it controls you without noticing.